Hello guys, today I'm going unbox iPad Pro M4 and Apple Pencil Pro and tell you guys tips and tricks for iPad Pro M4 and Apple Pencil Pro. If you hold down onto the Notes icon and choose to scan document, the iPad's new Al document scanner will do a quick scan of it. And if you open it up, you'll see that it literally looks like you used an actual scanner. That's pretty pro. Like this. So good scan. And, okay, so let's not lie. The iPad Pro is a powerhouse, and there are 4 multitasking tricks that'll take your productivity to the next level. Starting off with the control center, where if you tap on the Stage Manager icon, you can turn it on. Now, a Stage Manager might seem a little confusing at first, but believe me, it really is the ultimate way to multitask on the iPad Pro. And how it Now, I'll tell you about Apple Pencil Pro. If you press the Apple Pencil Pro, you will get pencils, color, and art thing. Then you can do artwork. Okay, I'll show you guys how good gaming is on iPad Pro M4 because of Apple chip. You can see the screen also better than the old one because of new screen. Also, iPad Pro M4 support Apple Intelligence.
Bye.